Now, that surge is causing another county to request to push back its homeless count efforts to prevent the spread of the virus. Thank you for joining us. I'm Brittany Johnson.
And I'm Andrea Flores. Stanislaus County is the latest, aiming to postpone the count because of the contagious Omicron variant. Before that, it was Sacramento County. KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri spoke with an organizer about the change of plans. And Lizzie, what can you tell us?
Well, both Stanislaus and Sacramento counties are hoping next month it will be safer to do that count because they say it's critical in giving us a better understanding of homelessness in our communities so we can do a better job of helping.
Information about who is experiencing homelessness in our community is critical for us to have effective strategies.
One thing is clear driving through the streets of downtown Sacramento during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Unsheltered homelessness most definitely has increased.
To find out to what extent, organizations like Sacramento Steps Forward lead what's called a point-in-time count, like a census for people experiencing homelessness.
Generally, those point-in-time counts across the community are done in the coldest point of the year in the winter, which is generally the last week of January.
But because of the current COVID-19 surge, Lisa Bates says they're postponing it until February 23rd and 24th in Sacramento County. And Thursday, organizers in Stanislaus County voted unanimously to do the same.
Safety is one of our utmost concerns for our community, and we want to make sure that we have a good count that is accurate and that we have the best possible chance of securing as many volunteers to help us with that count.
The survey was canceled entirely last year because of the pandemic, so the most recent data is from 2019, identifying more than 5,500 people in Sacramento County dealing with homelessness.
Taking into account that there was not a count last year, how important is this one this year?
It is critically important. We are working on close to 3-year-old data now.
And that data informs how decision makers on a local, state, and federal level fund programs to address homelessness.
But this information is long overdue and very necessary for our community.
On top of the count, that survey can provide details like how many people who are unsheltered are vaccinated or how many are families versus individuals. Live in Sacramento, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
Lizzie, thank you for that update.